Welcome to Fake Token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, in the past few weeks, fake token have really increased. Fake token is showing good sign. Now, $2.7 million has been added to fake token market cap within the past 2 weeks. I think this is good for fake token. Remember earlier, fake token market cap have actually hit over $24 to $27 million. Though at the time of recording this, fake token market cap is actually trading at $22 million. And fake token have been listed by Get.io. That is one important thing about fake token. But after they dropped in price, even though when BTC and other cryptocurrencies actually dropped, fake token lost a lot. But right now, within the past 2 weeks, about $2.7 million has been added to fake token market cap, which is a good sign for me. Fake token definitely is going to increase. I believe next year is going to be the better year for fake token. Fake token holders have continued to increase gradually. The market cap have continued to increase, even the price have continued to recover gradually. I believe this year is already gone. I believe next year we're going to see fake token really increasing in price. In terms of market cap, in terms of price, in terms of volume, fake token is really going up. Well, to me, fake token founders need to do more by getting this coin to be listed by top crypto exchanges. Yes, Get.io is one of the top exchanges. Hotbit, I mean, they've really tried, but they still need exchanges like Bank, at least XT.com. They need Kucoin, want to see Crypto.com coming in. These are exchanges I know that will really show great support for fake token. Feed every gorilla token is going to be one of the biggest coin in future. It's a future coin. It's not a coin that you can buy right now and expect it to start increasing in price, but definitely I believe in the next few years to come, before the end of 2025 or 2030, I believe fake token holders will be smiling to the bank because they have good project. I think according to their roadmap, they are really going to push this coin, and I believe very soon we'll be seeing many more exchanges coming in to list fake token. And whenever there is the listing in, definitely something positive is going to happen with such coin, and I believe fake token is going to be one of the biggest small cap coin. I want to see Ethereum World having interest on fake token. If Ethereum World just show a little support for fake token, believe it, this is going to really increase the price of fake token. Robinhood, and I believe, of course, yes, let's keep hoping that fake token will gain that support it is really looking for. What Binance, that one it's not easy for Binance to list any particular coin, but once Binance decide to list a particular coin, you all know what will happen. It's going to explode, and I believe fake token, by the time Binance will start having interest, Binance have actually already added fake token on their watch list. Yes, even Coinbase have added on their watch. The most crypto exchanges have added fake token on their watch list, which I believe if they can list this coin, something massive is going to happen with fake token. Let's keep hoping to see what will be happening with fake token, but it's a good one to see fake token adding about $2.7 million on market cap within the past 2 weeks. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.